And the race on My Chemical Romance, Hoy Jasper. From the outside is Marty S. Down on the inside is Headline Chaser together by Chago and for speed rushing up. It's My Chemical Romance, Hoy Jasper. From the outside, Headline Chaser. Down on the inside, rushing up for speed. And Chago in between runners, Red Lotus alongside Smarty S. Last 800, Hoy Jasper for speed. Down on the inside, My Chemical Romance. Red Lotus racing import from the outside. Headline Chaser down on the inside together by Chago Smarty S. Rounding the far turn, Hoy Jasper by Hapaland for speed is running down on the inside. Red Lotus Headline Chaser rushing up by the rail. Last 450, Hoy Jasper for speed and moving up now. Headline Chaser down on the inside. Smarty S as they swing for home. Hoy Jasper for speed in the middle. Smarty S down on the inside. Red Lotus and Headline Chaser and nearing the finish line. Hoy Jasper by Hapaland is Smarty S down on the inside. Red Lotus and nearing the finish line. Hoy Jasper and finally Hoy Jasper. Smarty S, Headline Chaser, Red Lotus for speed close.